Hi guys, my name is Elise and I'm here at Innergy, and we'll be doing a guided Yoga Nidra meditation today. Yoga Nidra, so Nidra means sleep in Sanskrit, so it's a really good relaxing guided meditation to help us kind of relax, let go. You can do it at any time of the day, but sometimes before bed or even early in the morning are good times to set aside so you have that quiet time, no distractions, and can sit to yourself, into your body, and relax quietly. We'll go ahead and start. If you want to get nice and comfortable on your back, I do prefer laying down on your back. You can bring a blanket, a pillow underneath your head, or you can even bring a pillow or blanket underneath your legs or your knees as you lay down on your back. You can even be sitting up in a normal meditated position, like a cross-legged with the shoulders over those hips. But again, I do recommend doing this laying on your back. It makes it a little bit easier to let the body really relax. That's what we're going for with Yoga Nidra. So I do recommend laying down on your backs today. So we'll go ahead and get started, and you'll go ahead and lay on your backs, get nice and comfortable to where your body can fully relax. So let yourself get as comfortable as you can. You can bring a blanket or pillow underneath your head, or you can even place a pillow or blanket underneath your legs or your knees, just to get a little extra support and help those hips really relax down. You can soften or close your eyes, really helping yourselves draw in to the bodies and to relax. We'll start by taking some deep breaths here. I'll just have you inhale deeply into your belly and into your ribs, just letting them open and expand so we're feeling into that body. And then exhale to release. And then just one more nice deep breath into the belly. And then a gentle release of the breath. Let that body settle and relax with that exhale. And then soften and relax your head, your forehead. Relax that brow. Soften your nose as you close those eyes and let those eyeballs kind of sink back into the sockets. Release that jaw. Relax your face. Soften that neck. And release your shoulders. Letting your arms relax all the way down to your palms and your fingers. Softening your chest and your belly as you gently release your spine down. Relax your hips and soften those glutes. Release your hamstrings and relax those quads. Release your knees, your shins, and just gently relax your calves down as you release your ankles, your feet, your toes, and releasing out the soles of the feet as you relax your entire body here. Really relax, release your entire body. And then gently, let's bring our awareness to the right side of your forehead. Noticing your right eyebrow. Gently noticing your right eyelid. Your right eyeball. And your right nostril. Your right upper lip, and your right side lower lip. Your right side of the chin, and your right cheekbone. Your right ear, and your right jawbone. Your right side of the face. Your right side of the face. Your left forehead. Your left eyebrow and your left eyelid, your left eyeball, your left side nostril, the left side upper lip, the left side the lower lip, the left side of the chin, your left cheekbone, your left ear, and your left jawbone, your left side of the face, your left side of the face, the right side of your neck, your right side collarbone, your right side shoulder, and your right tricep, your right bicep, the right elbow, and the right side eye of the elbow, your right forearm, your right wrist, right side top of the hand, and your right palm, your right thumb, your right pointer finger, your right middle finger, your right side ring finger, and your right side pinky, your entire right arm, your entire right arm, the left side of your neck, your left collarbone, and your left shoulder, your left tricep, and your left bicep, the left elbow, the left eye of the elbow, your left forearm, your left wrist, the left side top of the hand, the left side palm of the hand, your left thumb, your left pointer finger, your left middle finger, your left ring finger, and your left pinky finger, your entire left arm, your entire left arm, the right side of your chest, your right rib cage, your right shoulder blade, the right side of your back, and the right side of your belly, the right side of your torso, your entire right side of your torso. The left side of your chest, the left side ribs, your left shoulder blade, and the left side of your back. The left side of your belly, and the left side of your torso. Your entire left side of your torso. Your entire torso of the body. Your entire torso of the body. Your right hip and your right glute. Your right hamstring and your right quad. Your right knee and the right side behind the knee, the right calf and the right shin, your right ankle, the right side top of the foot, and the right side sole of the foot. Your right big toe. Your right side second toe. Your right side third toe. Your right side fourth toe. And your right side, the pinky toe. Your entire right leg and foot. Your entire right leg and foot. Your left hip, your left glute, your left hamstring, your left quad, your left knee, and your left side behind the knee, the left calf, your left shin, your left ankle, the left side top of the foot, and your left sole of the foot. Your left big toe, your left side second toe, your left third toe, and your left fourth toe, and the left pinky toe, your entire left leg and foot, your entire left leg and foot, your entire body, your entire body, your entire body relaxes and releases. You can always stay here as long as you'd like, or come out of it whenever you'd like. Just resting peacefully, remembering I am relaxed, I am calm, I am in control. I am relaxed, I am calm, I am in control. Thank you for joining me today, guys. Have a great day. Namaste.